Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Yeah, first of all, congratulations for grabbing the job.
Thank you. Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, myself, Neenu. I'm from quality department. I just want to take a feedback from your side. So give an
Okay.
introduction about yourself, Leena.
Yeah. My name is Leena Kumari. I'm BTech Mechanical Engineering in G Polarity Engineering College, Kurnool, Andhra Pradesh. And after my graduation, I worked as an assistant professor in Krishnaveni IT and Polytechnic College, Kurnool, Andhra Pradesh, up to 2018. And then after that, I joined in here CMTA. One of my sister told about that CMTA interior cutlass, so that I joined in 2 months back here.
Okay. So how do you come to know about CMTI through your sister?
Yeah, she is the manager in that. So she explained about this interior cut list everything. So I chose this. It is a
Okay.
good subject for me. It is recorded. It is recorded to my subject. So that I chose this subject. So I learned that.
Okay. So what all the things you have learned in interior design and this cut list? You can little bit brief in Telugu. So
Yeah. Yeah. In CMTA interior cut list, 2 months back I joined here. So after that, I learned about listing of materials, finishes, sizes, and hardwares, accessories, everything I learned here. A very good subject because it is regarding to me about study of drawings. Even if it is related to AutoCAD and drawing subject, so it is very easy to learn, to grab the knowledge.
okay. So you went for the site visit all, no? How was the site experience? What did you learn?
Yeah, it is very good experience for me, for freshers also. In that, I learned many things. In manufacturing process, especially manufacturing process is very good. It is I think it is a logistic company. Uh, Very detailed explanation of my faculty is there, and they shown very clearly whatever we have doubts, we clarified there itself only, and we grabbed knowledge from there. Many things we learned there.
Okay. So how did you crack the interview? How many rounds? You can just tell it in Kannada, sorry, Telugu also.
Okay. 3 rounds are finished here. ఫస్ట్ రౌండ్ లో వచ్చేసి నా డీటెయిల్ అంటే సబ్జెక్ట్ నాలెడ్జ్ అడిగారు. సో ఆ సబ్జెక్ట్ నాలెడ్జ్ లో మొత్తం ఏవేవి ఉన్నాయో మొత్తం కవర్ చేశారు. నియర్లీ 30 minutes తీసుకున్నారు. ఆ 30 minutes లో నా సబ్జెక్ట్ గురించి అడిగారు. ఫర్ ద సెకండ్ రౌండ్ వచ్చేసి హెచ్ఆర్ రౌండ్. సో నా అబౌట్ నాకు తెలిసిన నాలెడ్జ్ లో ఎంత ఉందో ఆ సబ్జెక్ట్ అడిగారు. ఒకవేళ ఫ్యూచర్ లో ఈ పొజిషన్ ఇస్తే మీరు ఎలా చేస్తారు అని కూడా అడిగారు. సో ఐ విల్ డూ మై బెస్ట్, ఐ విల్ డూ హార్డ్ వర్క్ అని చెప్పాను. సో సెకండ్ రౌండ్ వాజ్ హెచ్ఆర్ రౌండ్ అండ్ థర్డ్ రౌండ్ ఈస్ ద ఫైనల్ రౌండ్ ఫర్ మీ సెలెక్షన్ రౌండ్. That was happened. That's it.
Okay. So you know about our CMTI app, right? So how much do you like the CMTI app?
Yeah, uh, CMTA app is very good for us, for freshers especially, uh, to gain a knowledge, and thoroughly they are taking care and from every staff చాలా బాగా మాకు రెస్పాన్స్ ఇచ్చింది. మాకు ప్రతి సబ్జెక్ట్ లో కానీ మాకు ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే క్లారిఫై చేశారు. మేము ఏ టైంలో అడిగినా కూడా వాళ్ళు మాకు క్విక్ గా రెస్పాన్స్ ఇచ్చారు. మాకు ఫ్యాకల్టీ చాలా ఇచ్చేసింది. ఈవెన్ సపోర్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ ద మేనేజ్మెంట్, CMTI మేనేజ్మెంట్ చాలా మాకు అశోక్ సార్, దీపా మ్యామ్, శ్వేత మ్యామ్, అరుణ మ్యామ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ వన్ సపోర్టెడ్ అస్. ఈవెన్ స్టాఫ్ అభిలాష్ సార్ హూ టుక్ మై కోర్స్ చాలా బాగా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశారు సబ్జెక్ట్. అండ్ ఈ యాప్ ద్వారా చాలా మందికి మంచి బ్రైట్ ఫ్యూచర్ ఉంటుందని నేను బికాస్ నేను ప్లేస్ చేస్తున్నాను.
It was very nice, very happy to hear that you have mentioned all the stars you because you was very comfortable with them. That's very more important, right? So the thing like I want to ask, would you like to refer CMTI to your friends?
Yeah, definitely. I'm sure because I'm doing good with the good. We can gain here communication, everything, knowledge, strengthness, hard working, everything I learned here. So that definitely I'll suggest my friends and the relatives, everyone
Okay.
whoever
Yeah.
need that.
So yeah, very, very thank you so much. So very happy to hear also. What is Leena's point of view for upcoming juniors who want to pursue the course?
Uh, Firstly, I would like to say definitely. Uh, don't waste of time. I think we should not waste our time for freshers. I'm telling this is the time to get a job, right opportunity to get this for freshers. They can for full successful life they can get that.
Thank you so much, Leena. Thank you so much for the wonderful feedback. All the best for your career. Thank you, Leena.
Thank, thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you.